Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. In this video, you'll discover effective ways to turn your agribusiness expertise into income on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or already have a channel, these strategies are designed to help you reach a wider audience and generate revenue. We'll explore proven methods that suit both newcomers and experienced creators, making your knowledge work for you. Agribusiness content is experiencing a surge in demand as more people seek reliable information about agriculture, technology, and sustainable practices. By sharing your expertise, you not only position yourself as a trusted resource, but also help others navigate the complexities of the industry. This exchange of knowledge can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and innovations within the agricultural community. Ultimately, contributing valuable content benefits both individual professionals and the sector as a whole, fostering growth and resilience. Discovering your unique agribusiness niche is the first step toward building a successful channel. Start by assessing your interests, expertise, and the specific needs within the agricultural industry. Once you've identified your niche, focus on understanding your target audience. Consider their challenges, preferences, and the type of content they value most. By tailoring your content to meet their needs, you can foster deeper engagement and encourage steady growth for your channel. To engage viewers interested in agriculture, consider creating a variety of content types. Tutorials can provide practical guidance on farming techniques or equipment use, helping your audience solve real-world challenges. Case studies offer in-depth looks at successful agricultural practices, showcasing innovation and results. Farm tours give viewers an inside look at daily operations, fostering a sense of connection and authenticity. Additionally, regular market updates keep your audience informed about trends and changes affecting the agriculture sector. YouTube SEO is essential for increasing the visibility of your agribusiness content. Start by conducting keyword research to identify terms your target audience is searching for, such as crop management tips or sustainable farming practices. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, making them clear and engaging. Optimize your video descriptions by providing detailed information and including relevant keywords to help YouTube understand your content. Don't forget to add accurate tags that reflect your video's subject, further enhancing its discoverability within the platform. Creating engaging thumbnails is essential for capturing viewers' attention as they browse through countless videos. Use bright colors, clear images, and concise text to convey the video's main idea at a glance. Equally important is crafting a compelling video introduction that hooks your audience within the first few seconds. Start with an intriguing question, a bold statement, or a preview of what's to come. These strategies not only increase click-through rates, but also encourage viewers to stay and watch your content longer. To qualify for YouTube monetization, creators must meet several important requirements. First, a channel needs at least 1,000 subscribers. Additionally, it must accumulate a minimum of 4,000 valid public watch hours within the past 12 months, or reach 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Beyond these numbers, channels must strictly adhere to YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service, ensuring that content remains appropriate and compliant. Meeting these standards is essential for joining the YouTube Partner Program and earning revenue from videos. Applying to the YouTube Partner Program is a key step in monetizing your agribusiness channel. Start by ensuring your channel meets YouTube's eligibility requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Once eligible, navigate to the monetization section in YouTube Studio and follow the prompts to apply. Setting up AdSense is essential for receiving payments, so create an AdSense account with accurate information and link it to your YouTube channel. Double-check your details to avoid delays and regularly review YouTube's policies to keep your channel in good standing. Diversifying income sources can significantly enhance the sustainability of your agricultural business. Consider affiliate marketing, where you promote relevant products and earn a commission on sales generated through your recommendations. Sponsored content is another avenue, allowing you to collaborate with brands and feature their offerings in your content. Additionally, creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or farm management templates can provide valuable resources to your audience while generating extra revenue. Exploring these options can help you build a more resilient and profitable operation. Building partnerships with agricultural brands and organizations can open up valuable opportunities for sponsored videos and ongoing collaborations. Start by identifying brands that align with your content and audience, ensuring a natural fit for both parties. Reach out with a clear proposal that highlights the mutual benefits of working together, such as increased exposure and shared values. Establishing transparent communication and setting clear expectations from the beginning helps lay the foundation for long-term, successful relationships. Over time, these collaborations can lead to consistent support and growth for your platform. Engaging with your audience is a key factor in building a loyal and active community. By responding to comments, hosting live streams, and sharing community posts, you create opportunities for genuine interaction. These efforts make your audience feel valued and heard, encouraging them to return and participate more. Over time, this consistent engagement can lead to stronger loyalty and steady growth for your channel or platform. Understanding your channel analytics is essential for optimizing your content strategy and boosting your revenue. By examining key metrics such as watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources, you can identify which topics and formats resonate most with your viewers. This insight allows you to tailor future videos to meet audience preferences, increasing engagement and subscriber growth. As you refine your approach, you'll be better positioned to monetize your agribusiness expertise and achieve sustainable success. Maintaining consistency is key to building a loyal audience, so establish a regular production schedule that you can realistically follow. Stay informed about emerging trends in your niche to keep your content fresh and relevant. Continuously seek feedback and analyze your performance to identify areas for improvement. Invest time in learning new techniques and upgrading your equipment as needed to enhance your video quality. By combining adaptability with a commitment to growth, you set the foundation for long-term success in video production. Many agribusiness creators have found remarkable success by openly sharing their expertise and personal journeys. By producing valuable content, they've attracted dedicated audiences eager to learn from real-world experiences. These creators often report increased opportunities, from brand partnerships to expanded business ventures. Their stories highlight how authenticity and practical advice can transform a passion for agriculture into a thriving online presence. Monetizing your agribusiness knowledge begins with identifying your unique expertise and creating valuable content that addresses real challenges in the industry. By sharing insights, tutorials, and success stories, you can attract an engaged audience eager to learn from your experiences. Leveraging platforms like YouTube allows you to reach a wider community and explore various income streams, such as ad revenue, sponsorships, and online courses. With SMART-AGRI Hub as your guide, you have the tools and support to start or expand your own YouTube journey, turning your passion for agriculture into a rewarding venture.